This is a one-owner 2007 Nissan Xterra off-road 4x4 with 76,000 miles. Rust-free, 76,000 miles, one owner, Carfax certified. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically like all of our vehicles. We do a 125-point pre-owned inspection to ensure that when you get it, it will not be a failure. Just in wonderful condition for its age. It has a tow package. Sorry about the wind noise. Brand new Cooper off-road tires, all-terrain tires, running wheels. The vehicle is running. Cloth interiors in great condition. All-weather mats, 4x4, aftermarket Bluetooth Kenwood radio, 76,000 miles, rust-free, incredible condition for its age. Power windows, lamps, mirrors, and cruise control. So this is a 2007 one-owner Nissan Xterra off-road 4x4 with 76,000 miles in wonderful condition. Needs nothing.